Okay, take note, we are supposed to draw the possibility diagram. Alright, as indicated over here. Alright, take note, the first die has only 4 sides. So I already labeled wrongly, so I'm going to relabel again. Okay, so take note, the first die has 4 sides. 1, 2, 5, 6. I've listed here. The second die has 6 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So basically, you can indicate everything with a dot. But for me, dot is very difficult because sometimes it's very faint using pencil. So I like to indicate with a cross. So after I draw all the possibility diagram, I double check. Oh, how many crosses should there be? There are 4 from the first die, 6 from the second one. 4 times 6 total should have 24 crosses. So 24 outcomes. Okay, now I want to find the probability both dice show the same number. Number 1 with number 1, number 2 with number 2, number 5 with number 5, number 6 with number 6. There are a total of 4 over 26. Please don't just give me 4 over 24. Press a calculator. You should get 1 over 6. So this one I have to be very careful. The number for the tetrahedra must be bigger than the 6-sided one. I'm going to highlight first. Okay, it seems that those that I highlighted in yellow are those from the 4-sided where the numbers are bigger than the 6-sided. So I need to count how many there are. So there are 10 out of 24. Reduced to lowest term, 5 over 12. That's those in yellow. So remember, prime numbers are numbers that's exactly 2 factors, divisible by 1 and itself. Alright, so let me highlight those prime numbers. Both are prime number. Number 2 and 2, 2 and 3, 2 and 5. 5 and 2, 5 and 3, 5 and 5. No more, right? So total got how many? 6. Okay? So usually after they ask you to list out the possibility diagram, they can test you on probability again. Alright? Okay, of course in this question, the possibility diagram is drawn out very neatly. But in the event, if let's say you cannot replace the card, like what Jubin say, the same number cannot appear again. This means I need to remove 1, 1. 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5. And then you will remain like this. Can you see that? If the card is not being replaced. Because you will see such question later on. But in this one, it's being replaced. Everything will come out. So don't worry, I'll draw back again. So total, there are still 25 outcomes. Okay? So if I want the second card bigger than the first one, I've highlighted in green. Total, there are 4, 3, 2, 1, 10 cases out of 25. So that will give us 10 out of 25. This will be 2 over 5. Okay, so I need at least 8. So let's take a look. Greater than 7 means must at least be 8. 5 plus 3 is 8. Plus 4 is 9. Plus 5 is 10. 4 plus 4 is 8. Can you see the sequence that I do it? It becomes easier. Am I right? So total, how many cases are there? 3, 2, 1. There are a total of 6 cases. Okay, so I'll get a total of 6 over 25. I cannot reduce to lowest term anymore. The product of the two numbers is greater than 10. Can it be 10? Minimum must be 11. Let me do the counting. I need to start from here. 3 times 3 is 9. Cannot. But I can 3 times 4. 3 times 5. 4 times 3. 4 times 4. 4 times 5. Then we also have 5 times 3, 5 times 4, 5 times 5, but 5 times 2 cannot. Am I right? So the highlighted yellow ones, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There are total 8 of them. So far our possibility diagram, I told you the traditional way is just indicate with crosses or a dot. But sometimes, some possibility diagram is a little bit special. Why? They want the numbers to be sum up. They want the numbers to be a product of one another. So you need to fill in accordingly. Why? Oh, they have the tetrahedra die. They have the six-sided die. But take note, on the left-hand side, they want the sum. But on the right-hand side, they want the product. And then you need to input into the respective boxes. I call this the boxes. Can you help me fill out the value in the boxes? Okay, so basically you need to do the mathematical operation in the two respective. This is also known as a possibility diagram. Alright, but one is for summing, one is for multiplication. Okay, and then using this result, you will need to try the question on the next page. No need to copy the question anymore. Just start doing the probability question. Alright, so on the next page, you have all the questions over there. Use the table, use the values inside to start doing. Okay, you can check the answer yourself with part 2. Okay, just check your answer. If it's the same as this, I think you should be fine. But just make sure you all can count carefully.